Okay, this video is really designed as a supplement, not a replacement for, but as a supplement to the instruction manual. At this point, it is assumed that I have isolated the current transformer from the power system, taken all necessary safety precautions, and I'm ready to start testing it. What I've done is I've already booted the test set up, and I've arrived at the main menu screen. Before I energize the test set, I install the flash drive, and the flash drive now has the heading information for the file on the job number and stuff, so you can identify the CT that you are testing. Okay, I've connected. This is a demonstration of the standard test, which is a two-terminal secondary CT. I don't have I have not connected the multi-tap test cable, and I'm using any generic test cable to test to the CT. What I've done, I've connected to a loop of wire, and I've connected H1 to the circle, which indicates polarity, the binding post with the circle around it, and this goes to X1 and what would be X2 on a two-terminal CT, but is X5 on this one. I'm just assuming this is a two-terminal, not multi-tap CT. Okay, next we'll get to a closer shot, and we'll actually test it. Okay, continuing right along, we've connected the test set, and now we're here to we'll press the ratio mode. Most CTs, will test on the low range. They're less than 10,000 to 5, so I'll press CT low. And this is I have the single tap CT hooked up. So I'm going to do is turn the output on and press on that. I'll turn up the level control here. Okay, and now I have the output volts, the input volts, the angle, which indicates the polarity is correct and there isn't much angle error, and the CT ratio reads 600.12 to 5. Now saving the data is the next thing. I can press save and save it to the flash drive, or I can press FTP and upload it to the server. I'll go ahead and press save and save it to the flash drive. I'll press FTP. It says upload, and it's uploaded to the server. There is a web interface which allows you to combine this information into a database and create a data sheet from the database anytime in the future. You could also write down this file number right here and just look at it in a web browser if you want and print it or whatever. Now there's an auto mode, you notice here, that allows you to automatically test it. It will automatically test it and write it to the flash drive. And we'll go ahead and turn output on. The output on step is in there as a safety precaution, so you know that the output is on or off. And then auto, it says auto test. And after the value stabilizes, it's saving it to the flash drive. Note that in order to use the FTP function, you have to use the output level knob. You turn it up, you light the ratio, the data you have, and you press FTP at that point. And that is the basics of a single tap ratio test. And this is designed to supplement the instruction manual, which has various warnings and cautions to read in there. Okay, this section explains connecting and testing a multi-tap CT. On the breadboard panel on the test set, I have points labeled X1, 2, 3, and 4. And then on the bottom, I have one labeled X5. When you connect X5, make sure you don't accidentally put the plug in the hot side of the test output. Okay, I've connected this, and I've connected it to the same points on the current transformer. You notice the jacks are color-coded, which makes it fairly easy to connect. Connect the blue cable to the blue jack. It says X2, so the blue cable is connected to X2 over there. And next we'll get into actually running the test. Okay, we're now going to perform the multi-tap test. I'm at the main menu. As previously shown, the CT has been connected to the test set. I'm going to press the ratio button, select CT low, and then simply press multi. Multi-run will appear on the bottom of the screen there, and the test set will initiate the test. The red LED is on, and the red jack is connected, which is connected to X1. It says tap X1, and it is now performing that test and saving the data to the flash drive. Okay, the blue LED is on, and the blue jack is energized. It is now testing the ratio of tap X2 and saving that data to the flash drive. You don't have to touch anything on the test set. You just simply observe, make sure that the process is proceeding safely and there's no problems indicated with the results. Now testing the green X3 tap, saving that data to the flash drive. And the X4 tap is last. It's testing that. Data being saved to the flash drive. Now the test is over. The word complete appears under the FTP button. And now what I can do is I can press FTP and upload that file to the server. There is a interface, a browser-based interface that allows you to combine these files. It will automatically concatenate the files, put the data in the database, allow you to create a data sheet at any time, either then or any time in the future. Thank you for watching.